Don't Breathe, directed by Fede Alvarez, is a taut and gripping thriller that expertly blends elements of horror and suspense. Released in 2016, this film captivates audience with its unique premise and relentless tension, inviting viewers into a dark world where the lines between victim and predator is blurred. The story centers around a trio of young Bulgars, Rocky, Alex, and Manny, who target the home of blind war veteran, played by Stephen Lang. Believing him to be an easy mark, they quickly discover that their target is anything but defenseless. The setup, while seemingly straightforward, unfolds into a nightmarish battle of wits and survival, as the Bulgars soon realize they have underestimated their opponent. One of the film's standout features is its innovative use of sound and silence. Alvarez creates a haunting atmosphere by applying the auditory experience. The veteran's blindness means that he relies on sound to navigate his surroundings, and this turns the conventional horror trope of sight and vision on its head. As the Bulgars tiptoe through the darkness house, the tension escalates. Every creak of floorboard, of rustle of clothing becomes a potential harbinger of doom. The strategic use of silence not only heightens the suspense but also immerses the audience in a terrifying game of cat and mouse that unfolds. Cinematographer Pedro Luque work further amplifies the film's intensity. The camera often positions itself in tight frame, emphasizing the claustrophobic nature of the veteran's home. Each shadowy corner and hidden passage creates an oppressive atmosphere, adding to the character's growing sense of dread. The film is visually striking with a deliberate use of lighting that plays on contrast. Darkness looms large, reflecting the moral ambiguity of the character's action. Stephen Lang delivers a powerful performance as the blind veteran, a role that demands both physicality and emotional depth. Initially presented as a sympathetic character, his portrayal evolves into something much darker. Lang brings a palpable intensity to the role, forcing viewers to grapple with their perception of him as both victim and antagonist. His skillful use of body language and sound cues transforms the character into a formidable presence, creating an unsettling blend of fear and empathy. The younger cast, particularly John Levi as Rocky, is equally compelling. Rocky's motivation to escape her troubled life and providing her for her family adds depth to her character, making her plight relatable. Levi skillfully navigates the emotional landscape, bringing vulnerability to her role as the group's reluctant leader. Dylan Minnette as Alex and Daniel Zovato as Manny round out of the trio. It's delivering star performance that enhance the film overall tension and dynamic. Alvarez's direction is tight and precise, ensuring that the pacing of the film keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. The film begins with a slow burn, establishing the characters and their motivation before plunging into a relentless series of twists and turns. The tension of expertly maintained, leading to a climax that both shocking and thought-provoking. Its twist challenges the audience's exceptional and moral compass, forcing viewers to reconsider who they are rooting for as the story unfolds. Thematically, Don't Breathe explores complex issues such as survival, guilt, and the human condition. The film poses unsettling questions. What lengths will one go to for survival? When does the victim become a villain? Alvarez then shy away from these darker themes, making the film not just a conventional horror experience, but a psychological exploration of this personal and moral ambiguity. In conclusion, Don't Breathe is a masterful thriller that captivates from start to finish. With its intense sound design, exceptional performance, and expert direction, it crafts a tense of atmosphere that keeps audience enthused. The film's exploration of complex themes and its ability to subvert genre expectational elevate it beyond simple horror, making it a thought-provoking entry in the genre. If you are seeking a film that will leave you breathless from both from fear and from contemplation, Don't Breathe is much absolute must watch.